Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how I have been earning the last week by selling cryptocurrencies. I will show you a bunch of all known Binance and BitMEX exchange. As you can see, the price of LTC on this platform is 10% higher than on Binance, which means that we just need to buy LTC on Binance and sell it here. After we went to the deposit, select LTC and click show address. The address you need to copy will be displayed here. Then go to Binance. To start, I will deposit $5,000, but you can deposit with any. This is about this much at the time of recording the video. Let's see how much BitMEX exchange will offer for it. So the money was credited to my wallet, you can see it here. Now we just have to switch to spot trading and sell LTC. Scroll down, select the entire amount for sale and click on sell. Great. Now you see $5,505 on your balance. Let's bring them back to Binance. To do this, go to withdraw. Select Tether USDT, select the desired network. In my case, it is ERC20. Then go to Binance and copy your address. Paste the address here, enter the entire amount, and click on withdraw. Now waiting for all confirmations, this will take a few minutes. As you can see, in just one lap, we made over $500. You can repeat this several times. I decided not to stop there and replenish my balance by another half LTC. That's pretty much all I have. Let's do the same. This time I earn it even more, and now I plan to withdraw. So I made over $3,000 while I was showing you this video. I wish you all good luck. Bye.